Hi guys, it's Hila here, Saturday Night Stitch. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how I tape up my PDF patterns and how I make it super quick and easy. So literally the only thing that you need is your tape dispenser. Kids are playing hide and seek, by the way, so it's quite noisy. You need your tape dispenser and you're going to need some glue tack and a window. So hopefully you haven't messed up the order that the papers came out of the printer. So as we can see, we have A001 all the way to the bottom, which is C003. So it is alphanumeric. I prefer to work like this. So I start from the bottom here. Gonna grab the blue tack, place it onto the window panel. So you need the light that's going to be coming through to make it easy for you, okay? And then what we do is we're going to do it upside down, like so. So I've got C03 down there. Okay. So we have our paper here. Again, we're going to keep it upside down. So there's C0302. So we know that these have to line up. The light on the window is showing us that this is the line that we just have to line up like so. You can see that. So boom, super easy. No need for glue. No need to trim or to use the scissors. Okay, and then here we go. So just like that. Okay, and the idea is that once you have your strips, again, you just easily stick them next to each other, line them up, and then tape them. So once I have the strips together, so this is the A, and then this one is the B, I'm going to put some glue tack on here. And in the same way, I'm going to use the light behind me to help line up the matching lines. And again, using my tape, I can make sure that everything is lined up. Like so as you can see, this is lining up together. So now I'm going to do the third one against here. So the thing that I like about Grasser patterns is how very efficient they are. So we've only got, this is the pattern piece for the skirt, okay? And then these are the pattern pieces for the bodice. over here. This is for another pattern that I want to make, but this is the skirt and that's the bodice. So the other thing that I do to save on tape, and when I put up my PDF patterns is where I don't need any glue, I don't need any scissors or any trimming. The next thing that I do is I just make sure to tape down the important bits that are going to get cut through. So I'm not wasting sellotape by taping over the bits that are just going to be waste paper. And you can see here with Grasser, they're so efficient that they butt them up against each other, and they include their seam allowances. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to be taping down because this is a pattern piece. So I'll just tape it down there. And the corner bits here, where you have 4 pattern pieces butting up, I'll reinforce those. But I don't need to tape any more on here. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see on this strip, I didn't even need to tape this down because you have the pattern piece over here and there's this pattern piece over there and another pattern piece over there. But this bit here, this is just nothing paper. So I'm not going to waste my time taping it down or anything like that. Okay, the next stage is just to cut everything out. Simples, straightforward, and then boom, it's all done. Okay, so the last thing to do is just to gather up the pattern pieces. So I've got 2 separate patterns here. This is for a pinafore dress and this is for a camisole top. And I'm just going to put them together and pin them. So. So that's it, lovely people. That's how I get my PDF patterns done super quickly. It took a little bit longer, obviously, because I was recording, but just for these 2 patterns, it would have taken me about 15 minutes or so. And best of all, I can do it whilst the kids are doing their homeschooling, since I can't actually have a sewing machine about. I hope that you found that video, the tutorial, quite useful, informative, and maybe even a little bit entertaining. And if you did, to give the video a big thumbs up down below. And do remember to subscribe. Until I see you next time, guys, happy sewing. Bye.
Don't say that one. Yes, if we do. If you say it wrong, you're kind of gonna get in trouble.